able to set up something just once and then earning money over and over again. Now that's what I call a great stream of passive income. Now the best thing that I love about passive income is that once you set it up once, you're going to be earning money unlimitedly and you won't even have to do any work at all. Now I know you guys love methods like this in particular, and that is why I'm back at it again with another more wonderful affiliate marketing program that's going to give you more money through passive income. Now I know you guys want to get into it, so make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could get to whatever I promised you earlier by following a step-by-step process by using a unique and new affiliate making strategy that I'm going to talk about and that I'm going to discuss. And all you need is any device that you already have. You don't need anything complicated at all. An internet connection, as well as the steps that I'm going to be showing to you guys today. So make sure you watch until the end. Pay close attention, really watch and focus so that you won't miss anything important, and let's jump right into it. So, first things first is you're going to head on to google.com. And then you're going to search Audible affiliate. Now, Audible is Amazon's website where they sell audiobooks. It's the most popular audiobooks library, and there you can find like all sorts of books, all sorts of topics, all sorts of categories. There are millions of audiobooks here. So you're going to open up audible.com affiliate, and that's going to take you to this page where you're going to see that step number 1 is to advertise. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do that for completely free. And then step number 2, you're going to drive traffic. And step number 3, you're going to make some money. Now, the reason that we're going to be using the Audible affiliate program is because Audible is going to pay you over $700 when someone signs up for completely free, okay? Now, by signing up for free, they're going to get 2 books, so they can actually get 2 audiobooks for completely free. And when they do that, you're going to get paid $7. So you get $7 per person that you're able to refer, and they don't even have to spend any money. And the reason for this is because they know they're gonna upsell them, and they're actually gonna make them buy the membership. And when they do buy the membership, you're gonna make an additional $10.50 per audiobook. And I honestly listen to maybe 60 audiobooks a year. So if you would refer me, you're going to be making a decent amount of money on complete autopilot. And I want to show you, okay, how you can actually refer at least 100 people in less than 2 hours of work in order to make around $500 just using this free trial. And then anything else on top is just a bonus. So you're going to click on become an affiliate, sign up to Amazon first, and then you're going to become an affiliate with your account, and you can grab an affiliate link for all of the different ebooks from Audible. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to find everything all the way from self-development, all the way to drama, futuristic types of audiobooks, and a lot of different things. You can just choose a niche and pick the best ebooks. So, for example, you're going to choose the cooking niche or the self-development niche, and these are the 5 of the best self-development ebooks. So you can open them up, and basically once you refer someone to Audible, they're gonna try it out for $0. As you can see, they can even get it for free, and when they get it for free, you're gonna make $5 if they sign up through your affiliate link. So what you basically want to do is create a simple faceless YouTube automation video where you're going to talk about 5 books that you are going to read this year to improve yourself, for example, and you're going to make simplest faceless videos like this one, a faceless YouTube animation video. Now, I want you guys to check our description box down below if you want to make even more money online, because we have a pleasant surprise hidden on our description box down below. So if you guys want to make even more money, make sure you check that out. Also, I want you to leave a comment down below about where you're from and what devices you use and what your preferred payment method is. And that way I can focus on that and when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. So let's keep going then. Now, if you open that up, you're gonna see that no one is showing their faces, okay? There's just animation, there's just text, of course the book that pops up on this side, on that side, and as you can see, the creator of this channel, okay? And I'm not gonna show you their face, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna make the same exact video as this one. Now, you can leave an affiliate link on the description box down below, so when people watch this, they're gonna be interested, obviously, in the books that you're showing, and they're gonna go into your description box, click on the affiliate link, sign up, and as you can see, this video has like a ton of views from all of the people interested in this type of category, in this type of niche. And who would probably click on your affiliate link to read self-development ebooks? And if most of these people signed up, then that would mean thousands of people, and you're gonna multiply that by $5. That's hundreds of thousands from people from just a single YouTube video. Now, even if a percentage of them signs up, that's already like 1,000 people, and you multiply that again by $5, that's another grand. So for just one video, and it's only going to take you less than an hour or two to create a video just like this one. All you have to do is create a video like this. You're going to go onto canva.com. It's completely free. Okay, you're going to click on custom size, and then you're going to select 1920 by 1080, and then you're going to be able to start editing the video. And if you want to do exactly what they did, then you're going to be able to change the background to black. Now in this case, you can add animations, like if you want to search for stars, you can do that, and then you can find some nice animations for the background. So I can obviously play around with this here, just like you can as well, until I choose the perfect background. Now what we have to do is we're going to find images, okay? We have 5 different books, so I'm just going to go onto Google. I'm going to look up that book that I want to promote in the video. The first one would be like something like this, and then I'm just going to go through the images. I'm going to find the book cover. I can go for whatever I want. I'm going to click that. I'm going to save it to my computer. Then I'm going to go back to Canva. I'm going to click on uploads, and then click on upload media, and then I can just upload it. So something like this, and I'm going to try to do the same thing that that person did in their video, like this. Now I'm going to copy paste it again. I'm going to do something like this, and as you can see, we already have something. We've come out already with something. We're going to put in text, you know, and then you can change it to whatever you want. Obviously, you can make it the title, or you can say, like, if you want to get this book, you can check the link down below, something like that, or just be creative. You can just duplicate the page and then just basically create a new template, and the same thing for another book, basically. Now, you can do this for the second book again, and you're going to do the same thing over again. It's all just doing it in your own pace, doing it in the way that you want, and you just have to be creative, really put in all of your visual in there, and make sure you come up with something that you yourself would be interested to watch, because you know that other people would also want to watch it as well. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our video so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching, because we're almost done, and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. As soon as you're done editing the video, you can also add audio here. Now, by the way, you can choose to add your own voiceover, or you can just add, you know, copyright-free background music, which is available as well on Canva. You can click on share, you click on download, and you're going to have a full video that you can upload on YouTube, and you can get free traffic from, and that's going to make you a lot of passive income, just like this video is doing over here, because the video that you're going to upload on YouTube, it'll be around for the next couple of months and even years. It's going to keep and getting more and more views, because it's going to stay there forever. So you could be making passive income for a long time, basically your whole life even. And you can make so many more videos on this topic, and you don't even need to show your face. For example, you're going to make a video about 5 books, about 5 different fiction books, about golf, about sports, about making money, and all of that. Now, a lot of people will be interested and drawn, okay? They're just going to click the link in your description, and then they're going to get the books that you are promoting. And that's pretty much it. That's how you could be making over $500 in less than 2 hours of work through affiliate marketing. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.